Your job is offering you free money every single year, and statistically, there's a really good chance you're saying no to it. Here's what that free money turns into over a career: $1.7 million, and not a single dollar of it came out of your pocket. This is the only place in all of investing with a guaranteed instant 100% return, and most people walk right past it. I'm 19 years old, and I'm determined to help you guys learn more about how to use your money. We've covered index funds, high-yield savings accounts, and Roth IRAs. But this one, the 401k match, is the single most important move on the whole list because it's the only one that's literally free. A quick rundown of a 401k is that it's a retirement account you get through your employer, not on your own, like a Roth IRA. Remember, the Roth IRA from last episode, that's yours. You open it. A 401k comes from your job, and here's the part that matters. A lot of jobs will match what you put in. A match means for every dollar you put into your 401k, your employer puts in a dollar too, up to a limit, usually around 3 to 6% of your salary. You put in a dollar, they hand you a dollar, instantly. That's a 100% return before the market does anything. Think about that. The stock market averages around 10% a year, and people lose their minds over it. The match doubles your money the second it lands. Nothing else does that. Let's make it real. Say you make $50,000 a year, and your job matches 100% of the first 5% you contribute. 5% of 50 grand is $2,500. You put in $2,500, and your employer hands you another $2,500 just for showing up. Now take just that free $2,500 a year, not your money, just theirs, and let it grow at the market's historical average for a 40-year career. $1.7 million from money you never earned. And yet, the average employee who doesn't contribute enough leaves around $1,300 of free match on the table every year, forever. This is why the match beats everything, even the Roth IRA I told you to love last episode. A Roth grows at the market rate. The match gives you 100% on day one, and then it grows at the market rate on top of that. So the order goes, first, contribute to your 401k just enough to get the full match. That's the free money. Then go fund your Roth IRA. Free money always comes first. The episode 3 tease said almost nobody uses this right, and it's true. Here's 3 ways people waste it. 1. Not contributing enough. If your job matches up to 5% and you only put in 2, you're leaving 3% of free money behind. Always contribute at least up to the match. 2. Vesting. Some employers make you stay a year or 2 before the match money is fully yours. It's called a vesting schedule. Check yours, and don't walk away from thousands of dollars by quitting a month too early. 3. And this one's sneaky. A lot of people contribute, get the match, and then leave it sitting in a default cash account that doesn't grow. You have to actually invest it. Pick a target date fund or an S&P 500 index fund inside the 401k. Same idea as episode 1. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Ask your HR person or your benefits portal 2 questions. Do we have a 401k match, and what's the percentage? That's it. Those 2 questions tell you the exact number you need to contribute. Step 2. Log into your benefits portal and set your contribution percentage to at least the match number. If they match up to 5%, set yours at 5% minimum. Step 3. Make sure the money is actually invested. Find the S&P 500 fund or a target date fund with your retirement year in the name, and put it there. Don't leave it in cash. 2 quick things. What if your job doesn't offer a match? Then skip straight to your Roth IRA from last episode. No free money means no reason to prioritize the 401k first. And the contribution limit for a 401k in 2026 is $23,500, way higher than a Roth. The best part? The match money your employer adds doesn't even count against that limit. It's bonus on top. So if you take one thing from this, if your job has a match and you're not getting all of it, you are turning down free money. Fix it this week. Log in, bump your contribution, pick the fund. Nobody hands you this playbook. That's why this channel exists. If these 4 videos have saved you money, subscribe. Next episode, I'm putting it all together. The exact order to fund every account when you can't afford to do them all at once. The money flow chart. See you there.